Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the sub-10 minute burger challenge that we have all been waiting for. This is the return of the king.
Of the main man. He is back, everybody. Now, it works like this. We invite our friends, sometimes chefs, to the channel to cook up a burger in sub-10 minutes. Everyone has the same ingredients to work from: buns, burgers, lettuce, tomato, sauces, and they have the option to bring in 3 of their own ingredients from home, but they have to win them by answering some simple questions. Now, in the kitchen, it's the moment you've all been waiting for.
He's back.
He's joining us for the Wild Weekender. It's the Ginger Chef, the handsome Scot, Janice's intimate lover, James Alistair Curry! Yay!
Next to take on the sub-10 minute burger challenge is James Alistair Curry! He's 35 and despite being our Scottish Goliath, he's actually from Nottingham. His favourite dish, of course, is haggis, and according to James, he's well known across the world for his massive arms and his unique skill, climbing rocks.
Yes! James.
Oh, what have you let yourself in for?
so nervous.
Why did you say yes to this?
I didn't. I said yes to this. And then I found out on Instagram that I was doing this.
Oh, great.
How are you feeling?
I'm actually quite nervous. It's been a while since I've cooked on camera, and this is high pressure. And there's a lot of people around.
Can you tell us, where have you been? What have you been doing?
I've been doing a bit of cooking. You know, just...
I heard on the rumour mill that you've been cooking burgers. So really,
You have.
I have actually cooked like thousands and thousands of burgers over the last year.
And again,
I've cooked a lot of work.
And what's the quickest you think you've ever cooked a burger in?
Not as quick as I'm about to cook a burger in.
Oh, here we go.
And do you feel you're going to bring some chefy skills to the kitchen today? What are you packing in those big arms?
I think I'm actually like half chef, half normal now, so we'll see.
Is that why you've got an apron, no jacket?
I've been stripped of the jacket.
Hey,
Not like that. Not like that.
Strip.
Maybe today is your opportunity to win that chef's jacket back.
Right, stop it now.
Okay.
Kush has posted a very fast time, and I don't know if I can match that.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
Now, James, we need you to spill the beans. What have you brought in today to win for your burger?
Okay, this might sound a bit weird. I brought in lettuce, tomato, and beef dripping.
Right, James. I said at the beginning of this, the simple part of this format is everybody has the same ingredients. We've already got lettuce, we've already got tomatoes.
Yeah, but I'm not happy with the lettuce and tomato.
Is this man complaining about our head of food preparation?
It sounds like it. Have you got more pretentious since you left?
There's no beef. There's no beef.
So we've got that, and we've got Wagyu beef fat.
Yeah, I didn't specify Wagyu, but I like beef dripping in a burger, especially if you're using shop-bought mince. Like, you have to add a little bit of oomph.
Mate,
Wow.
And
okay,
Wagyu's just a little cherry on top, you know?
You copied Slater.
It's a
I miss Slater.
it's a bold choice of ingredients, but you have to win them first.
Yes, you do. Should we get on with your... should we put your trivia to the test and see how you get on? See if you can win some of your secret ingredients?
Yeah, I'm not confident about this.
Right, question number 1. What is the chemical compound name for salt?
Basic.
I know, but I don't need to know it.
You do if you want to win one of these.
Go on, James. Come on. You got this. Yeah.
Come on, James.
Wait, the name?
Yes,
Name.
the chemical compound name.
Sodium chloride?
Yes!
I was thinking that I had to do the chemical symbol, which is a lot hard. That's much harder.
No,
Okay,
we've got you.
cool.
Thanks, mate.
Right, question 2. In 13 years, the only video at Sorted that we've ever filmed and not released was 5 years ago. It was because you, James Curry, had a bad day. In fact, you were so miserable, we had to delete the video completely. But what video was it?
Did
Can
that,
you remember?
did that happen?
Yeah. You were grumpy. You may have blacked out.
What was it? Can we see it?
Yeah, it must be in the archive somewhere.
Yeah,
I
as a,
can't remember.
as a reminder, we had the challenge of having to cook for somebody who wasn't there. You and I were working together, but you were barely giving me eye contact. It was really awkward. And I was
I'm
getting
so embarrassed.
it
We
went into the
released
edit.
Seal one.
It got edited, but Mike
that was
said
bad.
it wasn't appropriate to launch.
He was unwell.
Listen, guy, like, I don't remember ever being grumpy, so I can't remember.
Well, it was the time you cooked for The Rock. Remember that?
Vaguely, yeah. Vaguely.
Wow.
wiped it from his
so
memory.
I'm sorry,
What did we cook?
you've only got one out of
Oh,
the three
no.
bits of art.
No.
Good
Right.
luck.
Question number 3. Let's see if you
Okay,
can redeem
yeah.
yourself a little bit.
I need two ingredients. I can't be
Put-
doing with the lettuce.
Put these chilies in the order they are placed on the Scoville scale.
Okay.
Bottom to top.
Bottom to top.
Ghost pepper, Scotch bonnet, Carolina Reaper.
Scotch bonnet, ghost, Carolina Reaper.
You just double check.
Yeah.
I can confirm that is correct! Yes! 2 out of 3 A-bags. He's still got it.
2 out of
Right,
3.
we're going to bring... Oh, no. What are you going to pick?
Oh,
If he just goes for the lettuce and tomato, what?
Oh, what is the point?
I'm gonna go tomato and dripping.
Yeah! Right, let's bring these
And
up to the...
I will make do with the lettuce you've given me.
Let's bring these up to the kitchen and let's make some burgers!
Right, are you ready to cook burgers? In 3,
Oh,
2,
no.
1, burger!
So loud. Okay, beef dripping.
Straight to the beef dripping, okay.
Into that.
Why into there? Whoa.
Why are people so?
He likes a
Okay.
fatty burger.
Fatty
Come on
burger?
then, James.
Ideally, this would be like chilled, but it's not.
Okay, go
It's all good.
Kush.
It's all good, Kush. It's all good.
So you
It's all
get
good.
the fat goes
Okay.
into the mince,
Fat goes into
not
the mince,
into the pan.
Not into the pan.
Okay.
And then I kind of like shape it a little bit. and
Okay.
then, I want these thin, don't I?
Oh!
Okay, that's on.
We only need one burger.
That's smoking.
We only need one burger.
Double patty.
A burger isn't a burger if it's only one patty.
Yes!
There, look at that! Look at that fat!
Turn the extraction
Right,
up! Turn the extraction up!
Extraction!
Go.
Extraction!
Extraction!
More extraction!
Extraction! You're in the way!
Go.
Oh, no.
We're good.
Oh, no.
It's
We're
on.
good. We're fine.
Okay.
Right, and now, tomato.
James, catch.
Get on with it.
Okay, I like classic burgers, so I'm just going classic. I'm going proper classic.
Lovely. So we got
Probably
beef
only need a few of
tomato,
these.
red onion rings,
Yeah, red onion, rings.
Kush.
Okay, right, it's a classic
Let's
looking
go.
burger so
Yeah,
far.
classic burger. I need to do this. I need to go 3 parts mayo,
Lovely.
2 parts ketchup.
Oh!
It is.
Good mustard. Okay,
Oh,
go.
I'm questioning myself. 1 part mustard.
Don't listen to
Whatever
Kush.
it is.
He's
Kush, put me
threatened.
off. Okay, this is burger sauce.
Burger
It's
sauce.
all simple. Go.
Some. Yeah. Okay. Bun. I'm just going to toast in here.
Excellent.
Yes, nice.
And I'm just going to.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's good. Salt.
Salt.
Season
Yes.
now.
Salt.
Interesting.
Pepper.
Pepper. Yeah.
Sodium chloride.
Go on, James.
Over the top.
Look at that.
That looks good.
Looking great.
That's
What
good.
cheese we going for?
A lot.
Cheese.
We're going for American.
Yeah. Whoa.
Into the grill.
That's in.
Oven.
That's in. This is.
Oven safe.
Oh my goodness. Yes, it is.
Yes.
Mayonnaise. Caramelized.
Okay, that's
Right,
good.
it's good.
This is going okay.
Anything else?
Okay.
Anything else?
Finger
the
the jump.
Finger the pickles.
No, I can't think of the finger. We'd have to throw the whole thing out. We'd have to throw the whole thing out. Okay. What do I do next? What do I do next?
You're in charge.
Oh, lettuce.
Oh, right,
The burger's made. It's sad lettuce. Oh.
Sad
Okay,
lettuce.
so lettuce
That'll do, that'll
Soak up the
do.
juices.
Right. Is your burger cooked? Is your burger cooked?
No.
No?
Onion ring.
How relaxed
Oh,
he
this
is.
is such a mess.
Lovely.
Such a mess.
Yes.
Okay.
And the tomato.
Whoa!
Waffles.
That looks decent.
Assemble.
That looks alright. That's looking good. That's looking good.
Mate, well done. Well done.
What
Well
just happened?
done.
Did I cook a burger?
Curry.
You are such a classic burger. Like,
burger.
that's what I like. It's just like an American classic burger. Oh, look at this mess. I should have tidied up before.
No,
I
no,
went
no,
out.
you're all good. You're absolutely fine.
Magic bell.
I should have. Yeah, there was no bloody bell in it.
All right. Ed, get in to
think
get me
that
to the
looks quite
sections
good.
of that.
That does look really
That
good.
is great.
Tower.
Now, whilst we do
fingers.
this, I need you to start thinking about what the name for your burger
Yes.
is going to be.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
because that's what's going to go onto the leaderboard.
Okay.
What we'll do next is we'll get some nice, sexy close-up shots of it. We'll have a think about the name. We're going to ask you if there was anything different that you would have done.
Yep.
We're going to do the horrible thing of having to cut the burger into quarters so that we can taste it.
That's okay.
Figure out if it's delicious. Figure out if it was under 10 minutes. And then we'll see where it goes on the leaderboard.
think
If
I did
it
under
goes
10
on the
minutes.
leaderboard. Does
Phil,
look.
Phil,
It's looks better to use.
What? No, it's up to
See,
you.
look at that fat out there. Is that all the?
Oh, yes.
That's all the Wagyu fat.
Now, if a burger is edible and you're clean afterwards,
Yeah.
it's not a good burger, right?
Now,
Right.
let's have a look inside, okay?
Oh, God, open it up.
Oh, I can't find the bottom.
Oh,
Where's the bottom gone?
where's
My
the bottom?
bottom's disintegrated.
Where's the bottom?
It's blush.
Yeah, I'll take
but
that,
It's
yeah.
perfect.
Medium well. Medium well.
Okay,
Medium
right,
well.
James.
Do I
in.
get to eat it as well?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
you
Yes,
do.
please. Please
I
get
think
in.
so,
get
yeah.
In, get
I
in,
think
get
so.
in.
Okay, okay.
And then,
Okay, okay. Oh, there's your bottom.
Cheers, James.
cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Oh. You know what? That's got like In-N-Out vibes. But a very luxurious In-N-Out with that much beef fat in it. Oh. That is remarkable. Yeah, thanks, mate.
I don't know how long it took, but I'm happy.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
So, do
Is
you...
that the first burger that we've had with...
Yeah, go on then, go on. Then.
Gosh,
Is that the first burger that we've had with raw onion in it?
I think it is.
I think it is.
Which is what I do at home.
Yeah.
That is a very classic home-style burger. And it's...
Amazing.
It is amazing. It's fun. It's,
Thanks, man.
That is a
Thanks a
great
lot.
burger. So, we're doing a tick on the deliciousness,
definitely a tick.
and we're doing a tick on under 10 minutes.
Yes. Yeah, under 10 minutes, definitely. I do need to arrange something, though. Could someone get me Mike? I know he's setting up in the other room, but I need him back here because there's some reshuffling that needs to happen.
No.
You're on the board. You're quite high up on the board.
Good.
How high up?
Where would you like to be on the board?
I'd love to have beaten Spaff, to be honest.
Why?
Spaff's your target. So we got Kush currently in first place here. Currently. Then we have Jamie and then Mike on the end. So this is the podium currently.
This bodes well for me.
James, if you come over this way, I can reveal, James, that you have made it onto the podium.
Well, I'm out then, aren't I?
Mike, that's why I wanted you here, just to let you know that it was a brief. It was a brief time on the podium. Now, thanks, mate.
Can you come here just so I can tell you to go away?
Yeah, wonderful. So Mike's time was originally 3:48.
Under 5.
Jamie,
That's good.
3:32. Kush, 1:58. Well, James, I can reveal your time was 3 minutes. Kush, you're safe in first place. 24 seconds! No! Get ahead of the stuff!
Chefs. The
chefs. Rush the chefs. The top of line. Well done, mate.
You didn't flap like I flapped.
Didn't flap
Felt
at
like
all.
I flapped a little bit.
I felt like you also made a better burger, but that's besides the point. 8 seconds.
Yeah, no. And it was... Would you have changed anything at all?
I'll be honest, my initial plan was to chuck the onion in with the burgers and put them into the oven. They weren't meant to be raw. But I forgot.
Okay.
I was flapping.
Now the truth comes out.
All the flaps.
And do you have a name for your burger?
Yeah, it's a classic burger, curry classic,
The curry
Curry
classic.
classic.
In a tight second spot.
with an IE, not a Y.
It's a curry
Yes.
classique.
The curry classic.
Well done, mate.